keep moving. Steady, steady into the chute.
Be dry. Record the weight and proceed to Station 3.
Yes, Doctor. The data is logged.
Scan complete. Hydration levels optimal.
Send it to the main terminal. Unit 7 is ready for conditioning.
Visit. As you can see, the AI tracks biometric data in real time.
Rations are adjusted automatically to
The Grey Brahman are transferred one by one through this state-of-the-art mechanical system, ensuring smooth operation and maximum efficiency.
Each cut is inspected by quality control experts. Meat is weighed, vacuum packed, labeled, and sealed.
The pressure on the rollers is holding steady at the optimal level. We're maintaining the throughput target.
The flow rate is optimized now. We should see the fibers softening nicely.
Agreed. The temperature is perfect.
Check the viscosity on the tan batch.
Reading steady at 250 CPS, right on target.
Premium conditioning oils and softening agents are automatically sprayed into a rotating drum. The leather absorbs the nourishing oils and becomes softer and more flexible. The newly dyed leather enters a professional color fixing drum, where advanced fixing agents permanently bond the pigments to the leather fibers. Industrial sewing machines stitch together the front panels, back panel, sleeves, and shoulders of the leather jacket. Strong, straight stitches create a durable premium jacket.
We need to shift this slightly to optimize the cut.
Adjusting the parameters now.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
There's a subtle discoloration right here. See the inconsistency in the grain?
Yes, I see it. That won't meet the quality standard.
Group. Utilizing advanced AI and precision.
This state-of-the-art CNC laser precisely follows the digital pattern, cutting the premium Grey Brahman leather with millimeter-perfect accuracy.